So this is myself and Tanya. So Tanya is a way student, right?
Yes.
Right. So for Tanya, we set up a 30-day system that she learned how to take care of her hair on her own.
Yes.
How was that?
It was great. Sundays are my self-care day.
Right. So she's talking about her love day,
My
right?
love day, yeah.
Right. That's your day to love on yourself, which we talk about all the time, healthy hair family, right? And how was it actually having step-by-step videos to help you out?
It was really helpful because in the beginning I would forget which way I was supposed to twist. So I could go back and look at it and like remember, okay, I got this. Yeah.
Okay. So remember, guys, that you can also get your step-by-step videos,
Yeah.
right? Also, tell them about this 2-month journey to lock in your hair.
So it's been really good. I'm an artist. I'm an art student. So I'm in the studio every single day, including the weekends. With Sunday being my love day, I was forced to like stop, go home, or be at home, not leave home, and just focus on me, focus on my hair. And that's been really good. It actually has helped me a lot, like even, you know, when I'm in the studio, because I had that time to decompress and focus on me. Yeah.
So nothing like your love day, people. Remember, your healthy hair comes from healthy love. You got to love yourself, right? And like Tanya said, you need to take some time for yourself, family. Take some time, okay? Right? Thank you guys for checking in. Welcome, Tanya, to the Healthy Hair family, right? And we'll see you guys again soon. Remember, it's only 2 months to lock your hair up. It does not take a year, right?
No, not at all.
And was it nice?
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. All right, ciao, guys.
Bye.